Hello viewers. Welcome back to Worldgist Mega TV on education. If today is your first time of visiting this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and the bell icon for notification. So as soon as we post our new videos, you would always be the first to see it. Thank you so much for doing so. Today we are going to learn how to feature a channel on YouTube. In this video, I'm also going to show you how to add upcoming streams, trailer, playlist for easy accessibilities, and many more, right on your YouTube channel. And as well feature another YouTube channel in your channel. Do not worry yourself. It's very simple as ABC. Guys, let's dive into it. Quickly log into your YouTube channel. Search for your YouTube studio. To search for your YouTube studio, click your YouTube logo. Then click your YouTube studio. There you go. A new page appears immediately. At your left, search for customization. Then click on customization. Quite simple, guys. When click on the on customization, another new page opens. We there to do the magic. Here you can add trailer to your channel. You can add another YouTube channel you want to feature here. You can as well add your playlist here. For easy accessibility, please watch me very carefully as I do the magic. I hope this video helps you. Please, your comments are needed for improvement. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video. God bless us.